Within JARVIS Open Call 1, the co-hand pilot addressed Challenge 2 on agile collaborative robotics for logistics, with a focus on material handling and transportation. The pilot was tested in CETRIKO, a Spanish textile manufacturing facility, during their daily operations, validating the system in a variable environment. Operators can interact with the robot via a comprehensive web GUI, allowing for detailed workflow configuration, task initiation, and real-time monitoring. This multimodal interface is cross-platform. The operator can use a mobile device to monitor progress, clear issues dynamically, and reactivate the system on the go. The robot also communicates its operational state using integrated base LEDs. Green indicates normal, active operation. When an error or unexpected obstacle occurs in task execution, the LEDs shift to yellow. If the task is interrupted, the robot enters a recovery mode, waiting for operator clearance. Once cleared, the robot performs precise empty cone handling. The pilot integrated the JARVIS Quick Object Recognition and Pose Estimation module to improve cone detection and generate accurate 3D grasping targets. This allowed Tiago Pro to identify empty and occupied cone position and execute the perception to manipulation workflow in CETRIKO's operational textile environment. The system handles full cone replenishment with identical precision, picking heavy, loading yarn spools and seating them securely onto the rack pins to maintain the continuous production workflow. In the final user evaluation, all participants stated that they would be willing to use the robot in their daily work and reported that it could provide significant ergonomic relief.